Welcome everybody to this IGCSE Paper 2 survival tips. This is the first video of a series of 2 in which you'll learn about the different types of questions you're expected to answer in this source analysis paper. And yes, the fun music is just to deceive you and make you think you will enjoy this. So paper 2 is a source analysis paper on a prescribed subject. The exam takes 2 hours, you have to answer 6 questions on sources, and you have between 8 to 10 sources to analyze. This year, for the October-November session 2020, the prescribed subject is how effectively did the United States contain the spread of communism? Therefore, your paper 2 can be on any of the case studies, Korea, Cuba, or Vietnam. From question 1 to 5, you have different types of questions that you will be asked about all the sources. Each of the questions will cover either 1 or 2 different sources from the amount of 8 to 10 sources that you are given. So the possible questions about cartoons that you can be asked are: what is the message of the cartoon? Why was the cartoon published? And finally, how similar are the messages of 2 cartoons? Then, you will also find questions about written sources. For example, how similar are these 2 sources or accounts? How far does source A prove that source B is wrong or lying? And are you surprised by source A after reading source B? Finally, you have question number 6, the question that covers all the sources. Question 6 will ask you to study all the sources, and based on a statement, will ask you how far the sources prove that the statement is true or false. Our focus today is going to be on the questions on written sources.